Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a pin to your Roblox account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, we're gonna first of all open up our Roblox app. And then make sure you're signed in with the correct information, and then we're going to go ahead, tap on this more icon given at the bottom right corner and scroll a bit and tap on this option of settings. From over here we're going to find this kind of interface where you will be able to check out the option of parental controls, right? Simply go ahead, tap on it. Now we'll find this a parental controls section, and what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this permission. Right when we over here in the parental control section, we will find the pin that has been added for your parents to access your account and check on you. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the toggle which will be available. You're going to turn it off, and then their pin will be disabled. Once their pin has been disabled, you're going to go ahead and try to change your email, and for the changing email you will need a verification and another email ready. Once you have added the information, your new email will be ready and your parent won't have the access to that particular email, and you can disable their pin likewise as well. And that is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.